Welcome back to Punton Kids and of course our new channel, The Learning Box, where we are providing so many opportunities for children to learn with rich experiences. And I am sure you all are following our program, Shapes and Signs. Children have been learning all about shapes and had fun with them too. And last time we learned the signs. And all my babies, are your eyes and ears here? Yes? Do you all remember the signs that you all learned? Come on, let's see. Let's see if you all remember. Put on your thinking caps. And which sign is this? Come on, tell me. Yes, you all are right. This side is the greater than sign or more than sign. And this side is the less than sign. Yes, so we open our mouths where there is more and close our mouth where there is less. And what about this? When both the sides, it's the same. What is this sign called? Yes, it's equal. This is equal. When both the sides have the same number of things, we have to keep our mouth open here also and here also. So this sign is called equal. Yes? And today we are going to learn some new signs. So are we all ready? Yes? Come on. So one day, you know what happened? I went for a birthday party with my mommy. Yes? And look what I ate over there. What is this? Wow, donuts. So I took 2 donuts in my plate. Come on, count with me. How many did I take in my plate? 1, 2. I took 2 donuts in my plate. My mama came and gave me 1 more. My mama came and gave me 1 more. So now what are we going to do? We are going to see how many we have in all. What are we going to see? We are going to see how many we have in all. So let's count how many do we have in all. 1, 2 and 3. So how many do we have in all? We have 3 donuts. Yes? So when we get more, do you know what it's called? It's called addition. We add to find out how many do we have in all. So this is called addition. Yes? What did we do? We added all together. How many do we have in all? So this is called addition. When we get more. When we get more, we call it addition. And the sign for addition is this, the plus sign. Which sign is it? The plus sign. Yes? So come on, let's all of us learn to write it. So come on, let's all of us learn to write it. See? 2 plus. What are we going to write? Plus. How many are these? 1. So 1. And equals to. Yes? You all remember the equals to sign? But over here we put equals to when we have to write the answer. Yes? So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Yes? Come on, all of you say it with me. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Yes? Very good job. Come on. Let's see. What do I take next in my plate? Yes, I'm now going to go and eat some more yummy food. Next, see what did I take in my plate? I took some yummy sweets. So I took, see how many am I taking? 1, 2 and 3. So I took 3 sweets. How many sweets did I take in my plate? 3. And my mama gave me 2 more. See, how many did she give me? 2 more. So how many sweets do I have in all? In total, how many sweets do I have? What are we going to do? We are going to count. So I have 3, 4, 5. Yes, how are we going to count? Am I going to sit and count this? No, I already know there are 3. So 3, 4, 5. So how many sweets do I have in total? 5. Yes, I have 5. So how are we going to write this? Come on, let's all of us learn to write this. How many sweets do I have? 3. And I'm going to add. So what's the sign for add? All of you all know it. It's a very easy sign. It's there on the ambulance. Yes, the plus sign. So 3 plus. And how many do I have here? How many did my mama give me? More. 2. So we're going to add because we got more. So 2 plus 3 equals to, how many do we have in all? 5. Yes. So come on. Everyone read with me. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Yes. Okay. And now I want to still eat something more yummy. So I'm going to go and eat something else. Let's see what am I going to bring back in my plate. And see what I got back in my plates. Some yummy slices of pizza. Yummy slices of pizza. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many slices did I bring? 4. And my mama gave me more. So let's see how many more. She gave me 1 and 2. She gave me 2 more slices of pizza. So what are we going to do now? We are going to see how many I have in all. So when we count how many are there in all, what are we doing? We are adding. This is called addition. We are adding. And come on, all of you tell me, what's the sign for addition? Yes, you're right. It's the plus sign. It's the plus sign. So come on, let's see. How many do we have? We already have 4 here. So we won't count because we know there are 4. And we will say 5, 6. Yes. So how many do I have in all? I have 6 slices. Yes. So 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Come on, let's learn to write it. How many slices do I have? 4. How many did I add? How do we add? What's the sign? Plus. So we add 2. And what's the answer? 6. So before the answer, what sign are we going to make? Equals to 6. So let's all of us read it together. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Yes. So do we all know addition now properly? Yes. I'm sure you all know it. You all are very smart. You all must have got it very quickly. So are you ready to do it with numbers now? Should we try to do it with numbers? Come on. Get set. Go. Get your book and your pencil quickly. Run, run, run. So are we all back with our books and pencils? Yes? You're all set for addition? Very good. So I'm going to give you some addition sums and you all have to solve it in your books along with me. Okay? Come on. So I'm going to write a sum here. 2 plus 3. Yes? When we have more, we have to find out how much do we have in all. So what are we going to write? 2 plus 3. And how are we going to find the answer? Come on, think, think, think. Yes, we'll make 2 dots for 2. And for 3, how many dots should we make? 3. And 3 dots for 3. And then count. Come on, we have 2 here. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many do we have in all? 5. Yes, so what are we going to write? Equals to 5. Yes, 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Yes? Come on, get set for one more. Come on, let me think of a number 6. And I am going to add 2 to it. Yes, we are going to do 6 plus 2. Let's see how are we going to do, and before the answer, what do we write? Equals to. Okay, so for 6, what are we going to do? How many dots are we going to make? 6 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for 2, how many are we going to make? How many dots? 2 dots. 1, 2. Yes. So are we going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 like this? No, we already know there are 6 here. So 6, and we'll count only these. Okay. So 6, 7, 8. So what are we going to write here? 8. Come on, let's write 8. Yes. So 6 plus 2 equals to 8. Yes. Very good. I'm sure all of you have done a brilliant job and earned your smiley. Yes. So whenever we get more and we need to understand how many we have in all, what do? We add. It's called addition. And what's the sign for addition? It's the plus sign. Yes, it's the plus sign. Where else do you see the plus sign? We see it in hospitals, in dispensaries, and on the ambulance. Okay, so this is the plus sign. Plus sign also means to add. It's addition. Yes, and now are we ready for a new sign? Yes, get set, go, put on your bunny's ears, owl eyes, and pay attention here. So we have one more sign that we are going to learn, and this is the minus sign. Yes, we already learned plus, and which one is this? Minus. Minus means taking away. Yes, when we have something and we take it away, it is minus. When it becomes less. Yes, so are we all ready to learn this? Yes, come on. See, I had some sweets. Let's see how many sweets did I have. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, so I had 4 sweets, and my younger brother came and took away 2. What did he do? He took 2 away. So how many am I left with? Only 2. So when we take away, we put the minus sign. What do? We put the minus sign. Okay, understood? So come on, let's do some more of the minus sign, and it's called subtraction. What is it called? Subtraction. Come on, all of you, say it with me. Subtraction. Okay, subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to take away. Okay, come on. See, what do I have here now? I have 3 cupcakes. How many cupcakes do I have? 1, 2, 3. So what am I going to write here? I'm going to write 3. My brother took away 1. He took away 1. So what am I going to do? I'm going to write minus. Yes, because when you take away, you have to put the minus sign. So minus, and how many did he take away? He took away 1. So minus 1. And how many am I left with? What's the answer? How many am I left with? 2. So before the answer, what do we write? Equals to. Equals to 2. Yes? Understood? Okay, come on, let's do it once more. Yes, let's see what's the next yummy thing I can find. See what I found next. I told you I'm going to find something yummy, so I found some yummy pizza slices. Let's count. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 yummy pizza slices. So I'm going to write 5. And how many did my brother take away, you know? He took 2 away. He took away 2 slices. He ate them up. Yes? So it became less. So what should I put here? Minus or plus? What should I put? Yes, minus. And how many did he take away? He took away 2. So I'll put 5 minus 2. So see, how many am I left with? 1, 2, 3. Yes? 1, 2, 3. So what's the answer? 3. And before the answer, what sign do we put? Yes, we put equals to. So equals to 3. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Come on everyone, say it along with me. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. So now we did it with some yummy food. Now are you ready to do it with numbers? I'm sure all of you are ready because you all are my smarties. Yes? So everyone run, get your books and your pencils and quickly come back. So are you all back with your books and pencils? Yes? And I am going to put some subtraction sums now. Subtraction means minus. What does subtraction mean? Minus. That means taking away. It becomes less. Okay. Come on, let's all of us write the number 7. Yes? Did you all write 7 in your books? Very good. 7 minus 2. Now, how are we going to get this answer? Think. Yes, what we are going to do is we are going to make 7 dots because first we have 7. Okay, so let's make 7 dots for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have to do minus 2. That means we have to take away the dots. And how many dots will we take away? 2 dots. Very good. So let's cancel 2 dots. And let's see how many dots are we left with. Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So what's the answer? 5. And before writing the answer, what sign do we put in? Oh my God, you all know it so well. Yes, equals to. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. Come on, read it along. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. Yes? Are you ready for one more? You all have been doing such a brilliant job. Come on, just one more. Okay? Come on, now what am I going to do? I'm going to write another number. Let's write the number 6. Yeah, what number is this? 6. So we have already 6. And I'm going to do minus 3. Now, how are we going to find the answer? Do you all know it by now? Yes, we have 6. So we are going to make 6 dots for 6. 1, 2, 3. Are we all doing it? 4, 5, 6. See, we have 6 dots. And how many do we have to take away? How many? 6 minus 3. Yes. So we are going to take away 3. So let's cancel the 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. And what are we going to do? We are going to count how many are left with us. Yes? Come on, let's count together. 1, 2, and 3. So how many are left? 1, 2, and 3. So 6 minus 3 equals to How do we write equals to? 2 dashes and equals to 3. Very good. So let's read it together. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Yes? Good job. You all have been sitting so nicely and doing your addition and subtraction. So you all deserve a smiley. Yeah? And now quickly all of y'all. Yes? Before we say goodbye, we are going to revise the signs. Yes? Which sign is this? Minus. Minus means subtraction. So we take away. And which sign is this? Plus sign. Plus is for addition. When we get more. When we get more. And before we write the answer, what do we do? Which sign do we put? This one. Which sign is this? Equals to. Yes? Very good. So all my smarty babies, if you all have learnt your addition and subtraction nicely with me, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें